So hello, my name is Máté Bezdek. I'm an assistant professor at the Inorganic Chemistry Institute here at ETH. And I recently started the functional coordination chemistry group here. And so we are at our core synthetic inorganic chemists. And so that means that if you were to visit us on a regular day in lab, you would find us doing chemical reactions, carrying out chemical synthesis to make new molecules and new materials. And we do this with specific functions in mind for everything that we make. And so we typically start with very fundamental things. So, we are interested in the electronic structures and the reactivity profiles of the molecules and materials that we make, such as the one pictured here. And then we take this fundamental information and then we try to construct devices out of the things that we make. And one application we're particularly interested and excited about is making low-cost and next-generation sensor technologies in order to diagnose human health and to understand the health of our environment. And so if you're interested in learning more, please check out the article on the Hub homepage. Alternatively, you can come visit us in lab, or you can come attend my inaugural lecture. So I hope to see you there.